Locus of Z. Determine the locus of Z. Z does not is equal to 2i such that real part of Z minus 4 by Z minus 2i is equal to 0. Observe in this one, determine the locus of Z where Z does not is equal to 2i such that real part of Z minus 4 by Z minus 2i is equal to 0. We'll observe Z does not is equal to 2i. We will take any one of them. Z does not equal to 2i. Finally, determine the locus of Z. Here, what is given means real part of Z minus 4 by Z minus 2i is given 0. First, let us take that Z that we have to take x plus iy will take. Where x is a real part, y is a imaginary part. First, we have to find out this value. Z minus 4 by Z minus 2i we have to find out. That I will write Z minus 4 by Z minus 2i is equal to. Here, what about the value of Z means? X plus iy minus 4 by, here also x plus iy minus 2y we will write. We have to expand in this one. X plus iy minus 4 by x plus iy minus 2y I will write. We have to separate the real and imaginary part. Here first we have to write x minus 4 plus iy will write. The denominator must be written as x plus I into y minus 2 will write. Observe in this one, the conjugate of we will take the denominator, the conjugate of x plus I into y minus 2 is equal to what we have to write means x minus I into y minus 2 will take. Rationalizing the numerator and the denominator with x minus I into y minus 2 will get. That will be written as x minus 4 plus iy by x plus I into y minus 2 into given one is x minus I into y minus 2 by x minus I into y minus 2. Both numerators will be multiplied. First I will multiply x minus 4 into both terms. That means x minus I into y is iy. After we will take minus into minus is plus 2 into I, that will be written as 2i. After y that also multiplied by given term, that means x minus iy plus 2i by, when the denominator it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, that will be written as a square minus b square. That I will write x square minus I square into y minus 2 whole square will write. How to expand in this one? That means x into x is x square. After that minus 4 into x is minus 4x. First we have to multiply it by x. X into x is x square. Plus into minus minus. X into iy is ixy. Plus x into 2i is, that will be written as I into 2x. Later it was multiplied by minus 4. Minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Minus into minus is plus 4 into iy, that will written as I 4y. Plus into minus will become minus 4 to 8. 8 into I is 8i. After that, I into xy, that will be written as ixy. Plus into minus, that will become minus I into I is I square. Y into y is y square. Plus I into I will written as I square. 2 into y will written as 2y by their denominator, that must be written as x square. Where I square is must be equal to minus 1. minus of minus 1 will become plus, remaining is y minus 2 whole square. Can you have any cancellation terms where minus ixy and plus ixy will be cancelled? After we have to expand in this one, x square plus I into 2x minus 4x plus I into 4y minus 8i, where I square becomes minus 1. Minus of minus will become plus, that will be written as y square. After that, I square will become minus 1, plus into minus is minus 2 into y will become 2y, by the denominator is x square plus y minus 2 whole square will write. First I will write the real part. The real part is x square minus 4x. After that, y square minus 2y plus their imaginary part is I into given imaginary part 2x. After that, 4y minus 8 by the denominator is x square plus y minus 2 whole square will write. So we have to separate it, the real and imaginary part. We will get x square minus 4x plus y square minus 2y by the denominator is x square plus y minus 2 whole square. After that, plus I into remaining is 2x plus 4y minus 8y. The denominator is x square plus y minus 2 whole square. You'll observe this is the value of z minus 4 by z minus 2y will given. But what we have to find out in this one? By the given problem, real part of z minus 4 by z minus 2y will be 0. This is the real part of z minus 4 by z minus 2y. After that, this is the imaginary part of z minus 4 by z minus 2y, where the given real part is 0 means that will be written as x square minus 4x plus y square minus 2y by the denominator is x square plus y minus 2 whole square will be equal to 0. That will be must be written as x square minus 4x plus y square minus 2y is equal to 0 into any value is 0. I will write this one x square minus 4x plus 4. Again, this we have to written as y square minus 2y plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. We will observe in this one 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 5 will be 0. This we have to written as a square minus 2ab plus b square, that will be written as x minus 2 whole square. After that, this we have to written as y minus 1 whole square is equal to 5. Again, this we have to written as x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to root 5 whole square. Where square and root will be cancelled. This we have to compare with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the given locus of z, where I will write where center C h comma k, that I will write 2 comma or 1. After we will write radius, small r will be written as root of. What is the radius means? Where radius is, where radius is r square means root pi whole square, where r means root pi. This is the value of center and radius of given circle. Required locus is, the locus of z is, what is the locus of z? We have to write in this one means given locus of a z is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to root pi whole square. This is the given locus of z. This is most important for 4 marks in IP examination. Kenana? Next, now I am going to example 6. After now I am going to example 6. After now I am going to example 6. What is given in this problem? Example 6 I will write. If 4x plus I into 3x minus y will become 3 minus 6i, 3 minus 6i, where x and y are real numbers. X and y are real numbers. Then find the values of x and y. After now I am going to example 7. What is example 7? If z is equal to 2 minus 3i, then show that z square minus 4z plus 13 will become 0. Z square minus 4z plus 13 will become 0. Example 7 is most important for 2 marks. Example 7 is most important for 2 marks. Observe. What is a given complex number? Here the given complex number that must be written as 4x plus I into 3x minus y will become 3 minus 6i. We'll observe. This way how to written as 4x plus I into 3x minus y will become 3 plus I into minus 6. We'll observe in this one, where plus into minus is minus, 6 into I will become 6i. Here we'll observe. Comparing real and imaginary parts. Comparing real and imaginary parts, we will get where the 4x is the real part, where 4x is must be equal to 3, where 4x is equal to 3. After will be written as remaining one is 3x minus y, where the imaginary part 3x minus y will be equal to minus 6. That will be written as minus 6. Where 4x is equal to 3 means x is equal to 3 by 4. We'll observe x is equal to 3 by 4, substituting in this one, 3 into 3 by 4 minus y will become minus 6. Minus y becomes that side, minus is plus, 3 3 is 9 by 4 plus 6 is equal to y. 9 plus 6 4 24 by 4 will become y. That means 33 by 4 is equal to y. This is the value of y. That way how to written as, where x is 3 by 4. After that y is 33 by 4. This is the given x and y value. This is the given x and y values. After now I am going to example 7. What is given here? Z will become given, where z is equal to 2 minus 3i is given, where z is 3 minus 2 minus 3i will given. Then show that Z square minus 4Z plus 13 will be is equal to 0. Okay, we have to change plus 2 become this side, that will be written as Z minus 2 is equal to 3i. After we'll take squaring on both sides, that must be written as Z minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 3i whole square. When it is of the form a minus b whole square, that is the expansion of this one, z square plus 2 square minus 2 into z into 2 is equal to minus 3 whole square, that will be written as 9, remaining is I square. That means z square plus 2 square will become 4, 2 2 is 4, 4 into z is 4z is equal to 9 into where I square is minus 1. That means z square minus 4z plus 4 is equal to minus 9. Minus 9 becomes this side, that will be written as z square minus 4z plus 13 will become 0. This is the given complex number equation. We will note them these 2 points. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ 1B లో కూడా ఇవి వచ్చింటాయి నాన్న, సర్కిల్స్ లో ఇవి బాగా యూజ్ అవుతాయి మనకు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఈస్, the standard form of circle is, what is the standard form of a circle? That will be written as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The standard form of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where given center c is minus g comma minus f. After that, radius small r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. That means here in this circle where the radius, root of radius, that means g square plus f square minus c is always greater than 0. This is the standard form of a circle. What is the standard form of a circle? X square plus y square plus 2gh plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where center c is minus g comma minus f. After that, radius small r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. After now I am going to the second one. If the circle, if the center is, if the center is h comma k, if the center is h comma k and radius small r, then the circle equation is already we will discuss in previous problem. That is, the formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square must be equal to r square. This is the formula. If the center h comma k and radius small r, then the circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is must be equal to r square. After that, the third one is the standard form of hyperbola. The standard form of hyperbola with center h comma k is, what is the required formula is x minus h whole square by a square minus y minus k whole square by b square, that must be equal to 1. Ellipse means we'll take the symbol plus. Hyperbola means we'll take the symbol minus. That will be written as x minus h whole square by a square minus y minus k whole square by b square. That must be equal to 1. After, we'll take the center will become 0 comma 0. This is also 0 and this is also 0. That will be written as the standard form of hyperbola with center 0 comma 0 is 0 comma 0. X I have replaced with 0. K also replaced with 0. That will be written as x square by a square minus y square by b square is must be equal to 1. These four formulas are useful in next exercise problems. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to next example problem in page number 13. What is asking in example 1? Find the complex conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. And example 2 is show that Z1 will become 2 plus 11i by 25 and Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I by 1 minus 2i whole square are conjugate to each other or conjugate to each other. Already I will told in previous class the conjugate of, what is the formula for conjugate? The conjugate of Z, where Z must be take A plus IV. The conjugate of Z is Z bar, where Z bar that must be take A minus IV. That I will take. The conjugate of Z is Z bar. The conjugate of Z is Z bar, where Z will take A plus IV, Z bar will take A minus IV. I will write the same statement. The conjugate of A plus IB is A minus IB. Both are same. Now I am going to their solution. Find the conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. They are given complex number that I will take Z. That Z that must be take 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i will take. Here 3 can multiplied by entire term. 3 to 6. 3 minus 3i is 9i. 4i into 2 is 8i minus 4 3 is 12. I into I will become I square. Already we know that where I square it will become minus 1, that I will write. I square is equal to minus 1. That means 6 minus 9i minus 8i is I. Minus of I square becomes minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. That must be written as 18 minus I. This is the given value z that I will write. The conjugate of given term is 18 minus I will take. The conjugate of 18 minus I is conjugate of a plus ib is a minus ib, that I will write. The conjugate of a minus ib is a plus ib. That means the conjugate of 18 minus I will be written as 18 plus I. This is the given conjugate of complex number. This is most important for 4 marks. What is asked in this one? Show that Z1 will become 2 plus 11i by 25. After that, Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I by 1 minus 2i whole square, or conjugate to each other. I will take any one of these complex numbers that I will take. Z1 will take Z1 or Z2 are conjugate to each other means I will take Z1, Z2 is conjugate means okay, Z1 is equal to Z2 bar, we will prove. After we will take one more thing also. We will take the complex number Z2 will take. We have to prove this is will be equal to Z1 bar means Z1 and Z2 are conjugate to each other. అంటే Z1 అనేది Z2 బార్ కి ఈక్వల్ అయినా లేదా Z2 అనేది Z1 బార్ కి ఈక్వల్ అయినా కానీ ఆ రెండు ఏమైతే అంటే కాంజుగేట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్ అవుతాయి. అయితే ఇక్కడ బిగ్గెస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏది ఉంటే అది తీసుకుంటాను నేను. లెట్ us take Z2 will take. Let Z2 will take minus 2 plus I by 1 minus 2i whole square will take. We have to expand in this one. That must be written as minus 2 plus I by, where it is of the form a minus b whole square. 1 square is 1 plus 2 square I square. Again minus 2 into 1 into 2i will write. That means minus 2 plus I by 1 plus 4 into I square will become minus 1. After that, minus 2 to 4, 4 into I will become 4i. That means minus 2 plus I by 1 minus 4, that becomes minus 3 minus 4i. Here numerator and denominator can common with minus 2 minus I by minus is common, that will be written as 3 minus 4i. Minus and minus will become cancelled. I will write the conjugate of 3 minus 4i will become 3 plus 4i. 2 minus I by 3 minus 4i into rationalization. The conjugate of 3 minus 4i will become 3 plus 4i by 3 plus 4i. That means 2 minus I into 3 plus 4i by that denominator is of the form a minus b into a plus b, that will be written as 3 square minus 4i whole square will written. 3 square minus 4i whole square will be written. That means 2 3 6. 2 into 4i is 8i, minus 3 into I is 3i, plus into minus becomes minus 4, I into I is I square by 3 square is 9 minus 4 square is 16, I square will become minus 1. We have to substitute I square with minus 1. That becomes where 6 plus 5i minus of minus will become plus 4 by 9 plus 16 will write. That means 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5i by 25, 25, 10 plus 5i by 25 is common. So I'm sorry, where given one is minus into minus will become plus into minus is minus. After that, here given term is plus, so I'm sorry, will take the conjugate will take minus, where the given is minus is common. So I'm extremely sorry. That means this will be written as 3 minus 4i by 3 minus 4i. That means 2 minus I into 3 minus 4i by, when it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that will be written as 3 square minus 4 square I square. Again 2 3 6, 2 into 4i is 8i, minus 3 into I is 3i. After that minus into minus becomes plus. 4i into I is I square by 9 minus 16i square, where I square will become minus 1. That must be written as 6 minus 11i minus 4 by 9 plus 16 will take, that is the given value is 6 minus 4 will be 2 minus 11i by 25 will take, 2 minus 11i by 25 will take. This is the value of Z2. I will write one more step in this problem where Z2 is equal to 2 minus 11i by 25 will take, 2 minus 11i by 25 will take. I will write one step. The, what about the value of Z1 will take? Let, by the problem, Z1 is 2 plus 11i by 25. Z1 is equal to 2 plus 11i by 25 means the conjugate of Z1 is Z1 bar will write. Z1 is Z1 bar will write, where Z1 is 2 plus 11i by 25 is equal to, Z1 bar means that will be written as 2 minus 11i by 25. This is the conjugate of 2 plus 11i by 25 is 2 minus 11i by 25. What is the 2 minus 11i by 25 is the conjugate of 2 plus 11i by 24. That means Z2 is equal to, this value is, how to write it, this is, that means the conjugate of 2 plus 11i by 25. 2 plus 11i by 25 conjugate ఏంటంటే 2 minus 11i by 25. 2 minus 11i by 25, that will be written as Z1 bar. That means Z1 is must be equal to, Z1 bar means that is Z1 and Z2 are conjugate to each other. Z1 and Z2 are conjugate to each other. This is asking given problem. Now I am going to next one. Find the square roots of minus 5 plus 12i This is example problem in exercise 1B. In exercise 1B, in exercise 1B, fourth section also find the square root. Here, 4 problems are given. Fourth section. In exercise 1B, fourth section, we give 4 problems. The first one is 7 plus 24i, and the second one is minus 8 minus 6i. Third one is 3 plus 4i. Fourth one is minus 47 plus I into 8 root 3. Minus 47 plus I into 8 root 3 plus that. I will explain any 2 problems. I will take first example one is minus 5. This will take a complex number. Let Z will take minus 5 plus 12I will take. This we have to written as minus 5 plus I into 12 also will return. This we have to compare with A plus IB, where Z must be take A plus IB. Then will become where A is minus 5. Comparing the real parts, A is minus 5. After that, B will become 12. B is 12. Already, I will told in previous class one formula there. Square root of A plus B, that will be written as, what is the formula for given one means? There is 2 formulas there. The first one is plus or minus root of R plus A by 2 plus I into root of R minus A by 2. Here the given condition is if B is must be greater than 0. 0 కంటే B value extra ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈ కండిషన్ తీసుకుంటాం. Otherwise we will take the another formula is plus or minus root of R plus A by 2 minus I into root of R minus A by 2 will take if B less than 0 will take. Here we will observe in this formula where B is equal to 12. If B is equal to 12, B is equal to 12 means when it is greater than 0. When it is greater than 0 means by applying this formula, above formula, that will be written as root of A plus IB, that must be written as plus or minus root of R plus A by 2 plus I into root of R minus A by 2, where R must be written as root of A square plus B square will write. Where A is minus 5, B will write 12. That means root of minus 5 plus I into 12 is equal to plus or minus. First we have to find out the value of R. That means where R is equal to root of, where A is must be take minus 5 whole square, after will take 12 whole square, minus 5 whole square means that will take 25, 12 square means that will take 144. The total value is root of 169. Root of 169 will become 13. This is the value of R. How to substitute in this one? That means root of 13 plus, where A will become minus 5, by the denominator is 2 plus I into root of R is 13 minus of I is 5, the denominator is 2 will write. That means root of minus 5 plus 12i, that must be written as plus or minus root of, plus into minus will become minus, 13 minus 5 is 8, that must be written as 8 by 2 plus I into root of 18 by 2 will write. 8 by 2 is 4, root 4 plus I into root 9 will write. Root 4 is 2, and also I into root 9 is 3. That must be written as plus or minus 2 plus 3i. This is of the form minus 5 plus 12i. Already one thing I will told in previous class, when root of a complex number is always, it is of the form plus or minus x plus iy. When this is of the form, given one is a square root of a complex number. Formula for square root of a complex number. Okay, Nana, we will observe in this first one 7 plus 24i, where A is 7, B is 24. 24 is positive number, means B is greater than 0. We'll use this formula. After, now I am going to second one, where second one is minus 8 minus 6i. That will be written as minus 8 plus I into minus 6, where A is minus 6, B will take minus 6. B is minus 6 means B less than 0 always. B less than 0 means we will apply this formula. B less than 0 means we will apply this formula. After, now I am going to third one. Here also A is 3, B is 4, where B is also positive. Same process will proceed. And also here this one, A is minus 47, B is 8 root 3. We will observe this given B, this is also positive. This is also positive means we will apply this formula. I will explain in third one. I will explain in third problem. What is third one means, where I will explain second one. What is the second one? Minus 8 minus 6i is given. This we have to written as minus 8 plus I into minus 6. Comparing their real and imaginary part, where real part is minus 8. After we will take imaginary part, B is equal to minus 6. That means B is equal to minus 6 means there always B less than 0. B less than 0 means we will apply the second formula. That will be written as root of A plus IB is equal to plus or minus root of R plus A by 2 minus I into root of R minus A by 2, where R is root of A square plus B square. That I will write in this one, where the given A value will become minus 8 plus I into B value will become minus 6 is equal to, first we have to find out the value of R, where R is equal to root of minus 8 whole square plus minus 6 whole square, that is 8 square is equal to 64, 6 square is equal to 36, that is the given value is 100, root of 100 is 10, that is the value of R. That means plus or minus, what about the value of R means, R will take 10, where A is minus 8, plus into minus is minus 8 by 2 minus I into, where R is 10, minus of minus 8 is plus 8, the denominator is 2. That must be written as root of minus 8 plus into minus is minus 6i is equal to plus or minus root of 10 minus 8 is 2, 2 by 2 plus I into root of 18 by 2 will write. That means plus or minus 2 by 2 means root 1 plus or minus I root 9. Root 1 that will become 1. After that plus or minus, I am sorry, will take only minus. nothing but plus. This is minus. Minus I into root 9 must will take 3. That must be written as plus or minus 1 minus 3i. This is the value of root of minus 8 minus 6i. Remaining problems are homework. Now I am going to exercise 1b. Exercise 1b. First section. First one is write the following complex number. Following complex numbers. Following complex numbers in the form of a plus ib. The first one is 2 minus 3i into 3 plus 4i. Second one is 1 plus 2i whole cube. Third one is a minus ib by a plus ib. Fourth one is 4 plus 3i by 2 plus 3i into 4 minus 3i. After that, fifth one is minus root 3 plus root of minus 2 into 2 root 3 minus I. Again, the sixth one is minus 5i into I by 8. After we'll take the seventh one is minus I into 2i. Eighth one is I power 9. Ninth one is I power minus 19. Tenth one is 3 into 7 plus 7i plus I into 7 plus 7i. And one thing, the last one, 11th one is 2 plus 5i by 3 minus 2i plus 2 minus 5i by 3 plus 2i. We will observe in this one. The first one is find the following complex number in the form of a plus ib. First, I will take the first one. Let z I will take 2 minus 3i into 3 plus 4i. 2, 3, 6. 2 into 4i is 8i. minus 3a into 3 is 9i, plus into minus minus 3/4 12, I into I is I square. That is 6 minus I square becomes minus 1, minus into minus becomes plus. That must be written as 18 minus I. This is the value of z, where z we have to compare with a plus ib. This we have to written as 18 plus I into minus 1. Okay, this we have to written as 18 plus I into minus 1 when it is of the form a plus ib. A plus ib. By the problem, capital letters are given. That means a plus ib. After now, I am going to second one. That is 1 plus 2i whole cube is equal to 1 plus 2i into 1 plus 2i whole square. Will write. Here the bases are equal. Powers must be added. That means 1 plus 2i into this we have to expand in this one. 1 square becomes 1 square plus 2 square I square plus 2 into 1 into 2i will write. That means 1 plus 2i into 1 plus 2 square will become 4. I square becomes minus 1. That means 1 minus 4 plus 4i will write. That means then the remaining is 1 plus 2i into minus 3 plus 4i will write. Here 1 minus 1 into minus 3 minus 3. 1 into 4i is 4i plus into minus minus 2i into 3 is 6i. After that 2 4 8 I into I is I square. That means minus 3 minus 2i minus 8. That must be written as minus 11 minus 2i. This we have to written as minus 11 plus I into minus 2. When it is of the form a plus ib will write. After now I am going to third problem. What is third problem? A minus ib by a plus ib. First I will write the conjugate of a plus ib will become a minus ib. Rationalizing the conjugate of a plus ib will written as a minus ib by a minus ib will written as a into a, that will written as a minus b whole square by, when it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that must be written as a square minus ib whole square will return. That means when it is of the form a minus b whole square, we have to expand in this one. A square plus I square b square minus 2 into a into ib will return. By the denominator is a square minus I square b square. After that a square I square becomes minus 1 minus b square minus I into 2ab by, there also I square is minus 1 means minus into minus will become plus. A square plus b square will write. We have to separate it in this one. A square minus b square by a square plus b square plus I will have to separate it. This we have to written as minus 2ab by a square plus b square. When it is of the form a plus ib. A plus ib, we have to compare their capital letters. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain remaining problems. Aruma sir. ఓకేనా? రిమైనింగ్ మీకు పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే చేయండి, లేకుంటే రిమైనింగ్ క్లాస్లో ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం నుంచి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్.